When you're searching a database, it can be frustrating to click on a source and find that it's only a summary and not the full article. This is a common research challenge, but you can find the full-text sources you need with a little persistence and knowledge of library search tools, like how to use the Get It feature. When you find a useful source in your search results, your next step is to locate the full-length version of the source that you can read. This is referred to as a full-text source. In a library database, the access options for a source are usually located on the Abstract and Details page. Each database is different, but if the full-text source is available, you'll be able to get it by selecting a link labeled PDF, Full Text, or Download. Links like this should take you to a version of the source that you can use right away. If you don't see a full text option, look instead for a black and gold Get It button or an Access Options drop-down menu with a Get It link. For example, I found the article Social Media and Mental Health while searching the database Sociological Abstracts. Looking at the article's detail page, I don't see a link for a PDF or full text. When I click on Get It, I'm directed to a page with options to access the article. In this case, I can link out to the full text or open a PDF viewer to download the document. Other times, the Get It link will take you to Search at UW, where you can see access options for the article. Under the View Online section of the Search at UW page, you should see links to different databases. Click on a database link to go to the full text source. Occasionally, the Get It button will bring you to a Search at UW page without a View Online section or database links. Even if Search at UW lists physical locations for the item, the best thing to do is to place a request for the source. Below the Get It section, click on the Sign In link in the gold banner. Log in and authenticate using your ePanther ID and password. After you've signed in, you should see a link for Request a Copy. Click this to start an interlibrary loan request for the source. You'll be directed to a pre-filled request form for the source. Review the form and make sure that all the automatically filled citation details are accurate. Then click Submit to place your request. When your request has been filled, you'll get a message to your UWM email account with instructions for accessing the source. Searching for the right sources can be challenging, and it takes time. But with a little persistence and Get It, you can find sources that work with each other and support your research.